Hello sir, good afternoon. This is my question, my interview about the secretary mandate now in our DepEd secretary. Um, my question is regarding the mandate of our DepEd secretary and the implementation of the cleaning up of the rooms in such a way that no decoration or going minimal decoration in the classroom. What can you say about this mandate of our DepEd secretary about this mandate? Unsa imong ikasulti na kanang ikasulti nimo ani about ani makaayo ba ni or makahatag ba ni kaayo sa mga estudyante or dili?
For me, yes, because the student can focus their subject, their teacher. So, gibali maka-focus ang student sa pagtudlo sa estudyante. Ang student mag-focus sila sa ilang kuan kaning teacher para mahibalaan nila unsa yung mga pang-istorya sa teachers. And then, for me, the backlash of all the decoration in DepEd secretary is helpful for student in terms with in high school and even in elementary because because according to the DepEd or in our school or in other institution that Dep it is helpful for me it is helpful for everyone and it also it's a legacy that can Sara Duterte can kaning iyang mabilin bitaw iyang mabilin sa kuan kani pag mawala na siya sa termino ay kaning nga kuan ng backlash nga kaning mga decoration sa classroom kay legacy ni Duterte's Vice President Sara Duterte. Mora to.
Okay, sir, thank you. Thank you sir sa imong knowledge na or kanang imong information na gihatag sir about ana naman mandate sa atong DepEd gikan sa atong DepEd secretary and thank you sir for the opportunity na gihatagan nimo og kanang oras na ma-interview ka about ana sa atong mandate sa DepEd. Thank you.